Good morning and welcome back up to our property here in southern Utah. In our last video, we got the beam set in place and we got a few rafters up there. And this morning, I've been cutting a bunch of rafters. And today, me and my wife are going to be putting up as many rafters as we can. We got long sleeves. I got my sombrero on. It's hot out. There's no clouds in the sky. It's gonna be a hot one. It's like there's like a heat wave going around right now. I have a sample rafter right here that I've been using to get the bird's mouth on the end over there. And I've got about, like a dozen or so. And I got a stack of them right there that I'm just bringing in here and cutting in the shade. And then we have to haul them up there. Probably just haul like one or two at a time. And so we're not just, it's like a lot of work.
They're heavy.
They're super heavy. Some of them are like waterlogged. We're gonna get to work cutting some more of these out, then start installing them up on the new beam.
Hey guys, Discount Lots is the sponsor of today's video, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to buy some land. It's so easy to do with Discount Lots. You can just get on the computer, check out their website, discountlots.com, and buy some amazing land. It has been Nick and I's dream for a very long time to build a homestead on a piece of land, and Discount Lots can make that possible for you. The lots which are listed in their website can't be found anywhere else in the real estate listings. Looking for your dream property is so easy. Guys, it can be for less than $200 a month. Less than $200 a month, and you could have your own dream property. Discount Lots offers owner financing terms or easy monthly payments, so you don't need to pay the whole amount at one time. Discount Lots sells land at really low prices because customers don't pay any middlemen or any agent commissions. They are not mortgage lenders and they are not real estate brokers. What that means for you is that there is little to no income checks, no background checks, no credit checks. This means anyone can have the opportunity to purchase land regardless of their credit situation. You don't need a credit check to buy your dream property from Discount Lots. I have 3 easy steps for you guys. Visit discountlots.com. The link is in the description. Choose the property that you want, click the buy now button, and you are done. Wait, don't forget the coupon code DLLEOG10. That's DLLEOG10. It's gonna get you guys that 10% off discount. When you go to buy your land, make your dreams come true. Get a piece of land and build a house. Enjoy your retirement. Whatever it is you want to do. This was our dream to build our homestead. We're making it possible, and I hope you do too. What do you think, Allie Bro?
It's high. It's high.
It's high?
Yeah.
Do you think you could do some measuring for us today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Maybe play with the tape measure a little bit, make some marks?
Sure.
If my roof is crooked though, I get to blame you.
So 23 and the quarter. Got it? Now put that pencil back in your hat.
We're working on your fractions this summer.
Outside wall just tilted out like a tiny bit, so the joist rafters aren't lining up on the top of the lamp beam. So we're gonna put a strap on both of them, squeeze them in so they're level, and then hopefully that'll make so that the rafters sit nice and flush with the top of the glue lamp, and then we can nail those in and keep moving. strap on there. I was able to wrap it around that top plate. This one is just hooked on the side, so that's a little scary. I strapped it as tight as it'll go. I can't do it anymore, and it worked. It brought the walls in straight or plumb. It fixed the top up there pretty much, so we're gonna go ahead and go up there, nail it in. We got one more set of rafters to put up, so let's do it.
Okay. I'm thinking this is getting easier. Do you think it's getting easier?
Yeah, I think it's getting easier. It's just moving the ladders is like the longest part. Like once you put them up, it's easy to get them up. Moving the ladders and measuring and blah, blah, blah. But putting them up and nailing them isn't bad. I'm up at the top. My wife's getting me a tool, so I thought I'd take you guys up here and show you what we got. Look at this, it's so high. It is so awesome up here. If this isn't conquering your fear of heights, I don't know what is, babe.
It doesn't feel that bad though, because that beam's right there.
Yeah, there's something to hold on to. It's not like you're just out in the middle of nowhere. It's getting easier and easier as the more we get more inside the apartment. There's 4 rafters, so we're like 8 feet in, so it feels a lot better. It's hot.
It's sweaty.
We're up here sitting in the corner.
We got Mountain Dew right here. Because we're so sweaty.
We're
My armpits are
Look at
sweaty.
my tan line.
We're a mess.
No, we're not. It's just hot. So we put 4 rows up. Now we went and cut a bunch more, and we're up here. We just pulled them up here, and now we're just taking a break before we start laying them.
By a break, we mean like a big, huge breath.
Yeah.
And some shade.
Yeah. I think just from putting those couple up, I've realized that I think this beam is like, it's like a rainbow. Not like a top, but on the side, like it goes out, because the measurements are off now from when it was. And we've been putting one on either side so it wouldn't like push it over. And all the walls are level. So I think we're just gonna stay here for a few minutes and
all right,
then get started.
Pep talk. I know there's always a method to your madness. Do you want to talk about it?
We're just trying to pull this wall in a little bit. I feel like it's tilting out, which is making the gap up top. So I'm gonna try to strap it and pull it and clear up that gap.
Your plan worked.
It worked. I pulled it over nice and tight, and now it's perfect. This wall's flat, flush, plumb, whatever, and then that thing is sitting nice and pretty. So now I'm gonna go up there, nail it in, and I'll just leave that strap there until we get some more up, you know?
Yeah.
By the way.
Yes.
This belt is not a good belt.
That thing keeps falling off.
This thing is not good. This is garbage. Having this, you need like an actual belt with like loops, and because it just falls off when you bend over and whatever.
Yeah.
And it's just, I don't know what this belt is actually for, but it's a piece of garbage in my book. So I ordered a new one. It'll be here in a couple days, right when we're done framing, right?
And it's like an over-the-shoulder boulder holder belt.
Oh yeah, because my pants like fall down, so it'll like hold everything up. You can take it off. It has suspenders.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It has suspenders. Back in the day, that's what they used to call a woman's bra, was an over-the-shoulder boulder holder.
Well, I don't have that. Anyway, new belt's on its way.
Yeah, it looks so much better. It like lines up perfectly.
Monkey wrench is stuck in here.
I know. I noticed that.
And I bet you this next thing is gonna land like right here.
We'll find out.
And everything, and hopefully it's just bam, bam, bam.
Wham bam, thank you, ma'am.
No, just bam, bam, bam.
Bam bam bam.
Bam, bam. The Flintstones. One more ding dong. All right, you ready?
Yes.
I think I gotta put one up here first. Can I get the oscillator?
Yes. I don't know what it was about that last 2x10 that we just put up, but I swear it was like 2 times heavier than the rest of the 2x10. You're eating a lot of mice. Or you might be preggo again. Are you preggo again, Milo? Huh, my mice?
Belly going on right now. Look at that belly.
She got a belly and she's lazy. I just keep seeing her lay around.
Well, it is another day up here on the property. The sun it's like 6 p.m. It's too hot to work during the day. I actually came out here super early in the morning and was working a little bit, just tidying things up and fixing a few things here and there. But now we're gonna try to put up some more rafters. And we're gonna put some more up right now. Think about working at the end of the day. It's like the whole day it's been hot, so you're like wore out just from the heat. And now we're gonna try to lift these big old things up and get them done. We're gonna persevere.
I'm getting bruises on my shoulders from like holding them.
Oh, don't show that's not free, babe.
Oh, they can't see the ticket? They can't have a ticket to the gun show?
No, it's not free. They gotta pay extra for that. I'm just kidding.
You can go to Patreon.
All right. This morning I cut a bunch more rafters, so they're all sitting down there. So we're gonna go down and start loading them, throwing them up here, and seeing how many we can put up before we just get completely tired and just stop. All right, I'm up here prepping everything to get ready to put some more of these rafters in. Just a little bit about how these rafters are being installed. They're 24 inches on center. Since we already have the OSB sheeting up all the way to the top, it's a little higher than where the bird's mouth hits. So I'm having to come back with the oscillator, cut a little notch so that the bird's mouth fits. You can see on this one over here, like that. And at the top of our beam over there, we're cutting little areas. We don't want to take the wrapping all the way off just so it's not just going to sit there in the sun. I mean, ideally, as soon as we're done with these rafters, we're going to be putting on the sheeting and then it won't be a big deal. I mean, there's no need to take it off right now, so we're not going to do it. So we're just cutting little areas wherever the rafters are going and then nailing them, and then we'll rip it down later. Also, so these are 2x10, oh, right here. These are 2x10 rafters. This beam is gonna be exposed inside the apartment. It's gonna have from here all the way to there, we're gonna have drywall that runs on like under the 2x10 after insulation and everything. This will be all exposed and we'll probably stain it or do whatever. I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna do to it yet. I think it's gonna be pretty cool once it's all done. I know we're gonna have a huge ceiling fan in the middle. We already bought that, right?
Yeah, I'll got it.
We got it. We're gonna put that up. Prepping these right now, and then we're gonna start throwing these things up. I feel like we're just under halfway done. If we kick it into high gear, we'll see if we have a high gear today. I'm not really sure if we do.
No, I was talking to you about that. I feel like one day it's like, woo, let's go. Energy, pumped up, cheerleader, yes. And then the next day, I'm like,
energy and then no energy.
brah.
And the sun just takes it out of you.
Yeah. So we're trying today. We're gonna fight through it.
We're gonna see how many we can get up.
We already had a productive day. And we didn't even get up to the top of the house yet.
Yeah. My wife made me watch Dirty Dancing last night. It's a good movie.
It's my favorite movie.
It's a good movie. I liked it. I'll probably watch it again. Yeah, it's good.
I was trying to mimic all the dance moves for him last night, and he was like, what the
She was
heck
getting a little
is going
crazy.
on?
And the trailer was rocking.
Baby.
Yeah, this is a good movie. I think I'm procrastinating to put this up right now. All right, I'm going to work. I'm getting to work right now.
Okay.
Get it, girl. Glute workout.
More of a bruised shoulder workout.
All right, we just got that one nailed. And now I'm gonna switch places with my wife and I'm gonna go up there and nail that.
Elsa is currently collecting eggs in the garden, if anyone's looking for her. Elsa, did you go collect eggs?
Yes.
Yes. What do you think of Milo?
Adorable?
Adorable. Do you think she's gonna be a mommy again?
Yes.
Her belly's really big, huh? Are you excited to help take care of kitties?
Yeah.
You just gotta be gentle. Super sweet. Last two and then you're good for the night, or are you gonna keep going?
I think it's gonna be the last two because one, it's like 8 o'clock.
It's 8:30.
It's 8:30. We have maybe 30 minutes left and we're running out of 3.5-inch framing nails.
Okay.
We have the shorter ones, but we're not gonna use those.
Okay.
So we might have to go into town in the morning and get some nails. Get everything ready. We're gonna put one more row, so 2 more up here. That's as many as we have cut right now too. I think we'll have like maybe 4 more rows to go after that.
Tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow is another day.
And so is the next day.
Then after we get done doing that, we're gonna make the triangle walls, and then we can start putting outriggers out and then get the fascia board. We got a lot of stuff to do, but the list
Okay.
is long and distinguished.
How are you feeling about your pace?
I think today is way better than yesterday. Yesterday we were like figuring it out. The walls, the joists or the rafters were pushing the walls out a little bit, so we have like straps, and now everything, it's lining up perfect.
And then also, how do you feel about like the pace of the house? How fast or slow we're building this apartment?
Everyone keeps commenting that we're like making huge progress and we're doing things really fast, and everyone keeps saying that, but I don't know if that's what we're doing or not. I feel like I'm behind.
Okay.
So I'm always like in a rush.
What makes you feel behind?
Just the list of things that we have to do.
When do you think you want to move into here? Like, what's your goal for moving into here?
Before snow.
Before snow, so October.
I would like to say like before Halloween.
Before Halloween.
Yeah.
But you also want to get the trailer sold. So
We want to get out of that trailer. We might be moving into our toy hauler for a month or two. I don't know. Just because you're not gonna be able to sell one unless it's in the summer. Or
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be able to get it down the mountain if it's in the winter.
yeah.
That's a list of things we have in our heads right now. Hopefully before Halloween. I feel like we could probably move in sooner, but I'd like to have drywall, I hope, done. That way it's like, that's just the mess that drywall makes is just insane. And trying to live in that is not fun.
For sure.
So once we get drywall, then we can do like all the finishing stuff, cabinets, everything like that. If we don't have drywall done, then we can't really do all that. We'll do what we gotta do. If we have to sand drywall in the wintertime, we'll have to like mask off each room and just do it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the progress that we've been making on this. I feel like we've been moving on the rafters pretty quickly. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already. And come back in a few days for more building. See you later.